MagSafe sa isang budget phone. Yan ang isa sa mga features ng bagong phone ni Infinix, ang Note 40 Pro Plus 5G. Pero ano pa nga ba ang ma-expect natin sa bagong release na to? Hey guys, Tito James here and welcome to our hands-on and first impressions of the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus 5G. First and foremost, napaka-premium na dating ng phone na to kumpara sa Note 30 VIP na nakita natin last year, pero makita din natin yung design language na ginagamit ni Infinix sa mga recent releases nila tulad ng 035G na meron ding curved display, sobrang nipis na frame, at I'm sure na notice nyo rin may vegan leather option gaya ng vintage green variant na nakuha namin. It's also good to know na kahit papano may IP rating yung phone na to, IP53. So paalala ko lang, that doesn't mean that it's waterproof and it's only splash resistant to a certain degree. So wag niyong dalhin sa pool to kasi baka masira pa rin yung telepono. In terms of the button and port layout, wala namang unexpected dito. You have the SIM tray, USB-C port at speaker grill at the bottom. Nasa right side naman ang power button at ang volume rocker. May stereo speaker setup ang Note 40 Pro Plus, and remember, may partnership ang Infinix at ang JBL, so solid yung tunog ng phone na to. So here's a quick sample so you can kind of hear what it sounds like. Pagdating naman sa display, no complaints here. 6.78 inches, Full HD Plus ang resolution, at 120Hz ang refresh rate. So definitely checks all the boxes for me, especially since Widevine L1 certified ang phone na to. Meaning kung mahilig manood ng Netflix sa phone mo, you can expect your shows to be in HD quality. Now, in terms of our first impressions, I think one of the things na medyo disappointed kami ng team is with the cameras of the Note 40 Pro Plus. Di ko naman sinasabi na hindi siya maganda, pero halos pareho lang kasi yung setup niya ng Note 30 VIP. So, tatlo yung rear camera, 108 megapixels ang main, pero yung dalawa, fillers lang. Pero at least may OIS na yung main camera, so we're expecting this to perform much better in low light at pagdating din sa videos. And so far naman mukhang okay ang performance ng cameras ng phone na to. You have the option of going 3x digital zoom, which is most likely just cropped in sa original image. Pero while there is some loss in quality at medyo muddy na ang details pag zoom in mo na, not bad pa rin kung makita mo to sa FB at di ka nag-pixel peep. In terms of video naman, hanggang 2K lang siya dahil sa limitation ng processor na gamit nila sa phone na to. But again, having OIS should at least make for better handheld clips. Not bad considering pababa na yung araw sa mga video samples na nakita nyo ngayon. Pagdating naman sa internals, Dimensity 720 ang gamit nila sa Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus. That's paired with 12GB of physical RAM and 256GB of storage. So yes, medyo downgrade siya compared to the Dimensity 850 na nasa Note 30 VIP in terms of raw performance, pero dapat kasi hindi pa namin na thoroughly test out yung phone na to, mas maganda ang thermal performance ng 7020. And so far so good naman when Dewey and the newest member of our team Neon tested out some Honkai Star Rail for this hands-on video, pero more details sa full review as well as the benchmark scores kasi naka-embargo pa at di pa namin pwedeng ipakita. Pagdating naman sa software, naka-Android 14 na ang Note 40 Pro Plus out of the box, and it's good for you guys to know since palagi yung tinatanong, may security updates pa to, kamusta yung updates niya. Now, Infinix is promising 2 major Android updates with the Note 40 Pro Plus 3 years worth of security updates. So for me, that is a big plus for this phone. And of course, last but not the least, pag-usapan natin ang battery and the so-called MagSafe or MagCharge ng Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus. 4,600 mAh ang battery, so medyo below the standard since usually 5,000 mAh ang nakikita natin sa karamihan ng mga phones ngayon. Pero yung wired charging niya goes up to 100 watts. So feeling ko, 30 minutes fully charged na yung phone na to. Pero iti-test natin yan sa full review. At yun na nga, isa sa mga main highlights para sa Note 40 Pro Plus is yung magnetic wireless charging niya. Take note, 20 watts lang siya and kailangan mong gamitin yung case para sa magnetic feature. Again, kailangan pa namin i-test kung gaano kabilis siya mag-charge gamit yung wireless charging, so stay tuned for the full review. Pero not bad na rin na may ganito siyang feature para sa isang mid-range phone. As of making this video, wala pang official Philippine price tag ang Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus. Pero kung i-convert natin from USD, it's going to be around 18,000 pesos. And that honestly is our biggest concern with this phone. Kasi yung Note 30 VIP around 14,000 pesos lang. So sana fingers crossed they keep to within that pricing. And that's it for our first impressions of the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus 5G. Stay tuned for the full review para ma-share namin sa inyo yung benchmark scores, yung gaming performance, and of course, kung gaano katagal ba yung battery at gaano ka siya kabilis i-charge using that wireless charging. My name is Tito James. Peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next video.